So that way everybody's good to go. But excited to be here with you guys. For those that have your camera on, what's up? What's up? Great to see some beautiful faces. I see we got Mark on the call, man. What's going on? I'm gonna unmute you just in case you want to say anything to everybody, and then I'll just go ahead and take it away. Let me see if I can unmute you here. Okay, here we go. Ask to unmute.
What's up, everybody? I see my whole team is here. The crew is live. Let's go, baby. So talk about. Yeah, it was good. How you feeling?
What's good? I'm feeling great. How are you feeling?
I can't complain, man. It's been a long day. But we here.
Let's
Here,
go, man.
these people paid in full.
That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. You want to add any words of encouragement to anyone, or just anything that you feel like anybody should know right before the call, and then I'll go ahead and kick it off.
The most important thing is for y'all just pay attention to the Telegram chat, yo. I'm not sure if I saw what Matt just put in the chat just now. He just made it even more interesting for you guys. On top of what Ant's about to tell you guys, so just stay in the chat. That's gonna be your wealth of information right there. And you heard Uncle Luke. Don't stop. Get it.
Let's go. All right. Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna kick this thing off. I'm excited. What I would say, guys, is make sure you guys have a notebook and pen. And I'm gonna walk you guys through a couple of things, right? And I'm just gonna kind of first start off with trading in general. And obviously today's call, guys, is gonna be really focusing up on MetaTrader 4, which I will tell you this, guys, MetaTrader 4 it's not more complicated, it just takes more studying. And what we're gonna do here, guys, is we're gonna go ahead and make things simple for you guys on MetaTrader 4, right? Because our goal here now is we're gonna be starting to take more quality trades more than quantity trades. So MetaTrader 4, guys, it's obviously, like I said, it's not more complicated. It's just there's just more studying to do, and there's more understanding that you need to have in order for you guys, right, to get the results that you want. If you guys want to get the results that you want, you're going to have to put in the effort. And this call, guys, I'm going to go over the fundamentals, what you guys need to know, also how to maximize your trades, right, for you guys to maximize your profits, which is very important. So what I do want to do, and I want to make very clear, is, like I said, our goal here is to take quality trades on our accounts, because my goal here is to do two things: to help you guys become profitable, and then to help you guys get withdrawals, right? Like to help you guys get withdrawals every Friday. And between me, Mark, and all of the top leaders, we want to make sure that we create that culture, right, for you guys to be able to have some withdrawals and to create weekly withdrawals in your trading accounts. So my goal here on this call is to make sure you understand, but to also make sure you're ready, right, for the week, right? It's a brand new trading week. We are entering a brand new trading week. Usually Mondays aren't the most volatile when it comes to trading. So usually starting tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is when we start to see a lot more volatility in the market. So you want to make sure you're prepared, like right now. Like you guys want to make sure you're prepared for this week. And I want to make sure, like, as I said, I want you guys to understand, but I also want you guys to get ready and be prepared with funded accounts so you guys can make money, right? We've made it very clear, right? I said I was going to touch binary very, very little, because what you guys want to do is, when it comes down to binary trading, you just want to make sure you're following Asia Evans in the mornings and Matthew Thayer at night, right? Make sure you're following their schedule. So if you have a notebook and pen, just put, for binary trading, make sure you're following Asia and Matthew. And I'm not going to really dive into it, because on their sessions, they kind of teach you how to place a trade before they start trading. And it's very simple. So if I were to just go over it right now, it'd just be really a waste of time, because they already go over it on their live sessions. And you guys can just literally hop on and make sure that you guys take the trades that they take on their live sessions, which is a different style of trading, right? But for those that don't know me, I've actually been trading MetaTrader 4 now for about, I would say, 5 to 6 years. And I've been not only been able to become an educator, right, in the company, but I've been able to help over thousands, like 7, 8, 9,000 people become profitable, right, with this style of trading. I think it could probably even be a bigger number, to be honest, too. But, I've been able to help this brand be built between myself, right, my girlfriend, Anna, and then obviously Matthew Thayer, right, which is my business partner. And we've been able to put this brand together through all three of us, through the best of the binary options, the best of MetaTrader 4, and then the best of cryptocurrency, which is another style of trading that I've been able to dominate as well. But specifically here, guys, we're going to be talking about MetaTrader 4. And like I said, our concept here is to really help you guys make sure that your guys are taking quality trades. So here's the first thing that you guys need to know, right? Do not mute the super season chat, right? The Telegram chat that's called super season, right? This is what we're going to do. We're going to be calling out trades on that chat, right? And then obviously next week, we are going to be implementing the new system that we have here in Akashic. So we're going to be taking, right, the trades, but that's going to be starting next Monday that Anna has put together with Matthew, right? And what we're going to be doing is be taking between the educators that focus on the niche of trading. So if they trade gold, or if they trade traditional Forex, that can be Euro USD, or if they trade indices, right? They're going to be sending, right, only about 4 trades a week, guys. So they're going to be the best of the best trades. And I'm going to be making sure, and I'm going to be working with you guys on the super season chat. So that way we make sure we all enter the trades into our accounts, right? And then we're also profiting. That helps us become, profitable to make our withdrawals for Fridays, guys. So that's what we're going to be focusing on here, guys, with the MetaTrader 4 style of trading. But what you do want to make sure is you want to make sure you're set up, guys. You want to make sure that when you are taking, give me 1 second, guys. All right, sorry about that, guys. I was just fixing something here in my computer, right? All right, so we're gonna dive into MetaTrader 4, and I want to make sure this is gonna be more of like an interactive call, right? I want you to drop a 111 if you've already downloaded MetaTrader 4, right? Drop 111s. If you guys haven't downloaded the app, right, make sure you download it right now. It's called MetaTrader 4. It's called MetaTrader 4 on the Apple Store, right? Or if you have an Android, you can get it on the Google Store, right? And then the second thing is if you've already practiced taking trades, I want you to drop 222s on the chat, right? Drop some 222s on the chat. Okay, so if you're on a demo account, and then really quickly, so if you're on a demo, if you don't have a demo account, don't put a 222. And the third thing I want you guys to drop, if you guys are on a real account, drop some 333s on the chat box. If you're on a real trading account on MetaTrader 4, right? So drop that on the chat box here on Zoom, because what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to Akashic. This is what everybody needs to really do. I'm going to come on here real quick. Okay. This is very important, guys. If you're new here, I need you guys to, when you guys log into your Akashics account, right? I need you guys to log in and go to the Academy section, because I need you guys to know how to input a trade, right? So in your dashboard, right, the website is called user.akashics.com, right? I want you guys, after this call, right, to go ahead and watch this video. But what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to actually go ahead and I'm going to place a trade with you guys right now, so you guys understand how to do that. And we're going to work together on doing that. But just for homework and for something that you need to do after this call, is when you click the Academy section, there's an Educator Academy, right? So it's, you go to the Educator Academy, it's called, you click Get Started, right? Oops, it logged me out here real quick. So this is a website. I need all of you guys to watch this by tonight, like literally right after this call, because that way you guys can understand how to input a trade, right? So you're going to come here to Academies. You're going to click Educator Academy, and you're going to go to Rich Lantigua right here. And here it literally shows you on number 2, he goes over on how to place a trade on your trading account. Apps and resources, he goes over. So all you got to do is just watch this second video right here, because he goes over on how to input a MetaTrader 4 idea, right? So what you guys want to do is you want to make sure that you guys are taking the ideas that are being sent on the Telegram group, right? So usually when an idea is sent, right, it's going to look like this. And we're going to take this trade together on a demo account, but I'm also going to go over how to set up your trading account, right, on this call. So I'm going to send a trade real quick. This should not be taken. This is an example. So do not take this on your real account. Okay, guys? I'm gonna write it here because I don't want people to see this. This is an example. Do not take this trade on your real account. Do not take this trade on your real account. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on the Telegram chat. It's called Super. Oh, you guys can't see anything? Oh, okay. That's probably why. So I was probably doing the wrong one. So you guys should see it now. Do you guys see it now? Drop a 111 in the chat. Are we good? You guys see my screen? Are we good? Okay, perfect. All right, you guys see my screen. So I was saying, sorry, I probably wasn't sharing my screen before, right? This is the Akashics, right? User, the login. So you go to user.akashics.com. You're going to come to Academy. You're going to click Educator Academy, this section right here. And when you go to Educator Academy, you're going to go to Richard Lantigua, right? On this second video, all you guys need to do is watch this second video. He explains how to place a trade on your MetaTrader 4. So all of you guys that are brand new, make sure you guys watch this video. I'll also send, right, another video that you guys can watch here very soon. And you guys can actually go ahead and watch that video here. It's a YouTube video on how to place an MT4 idea. But this is starting tomorrow, guys. I actually want all of you guys to start being on real accounts, right? So I want to help you guys fund up accounts because I want you guys to start taking the trades. If you don't feel ready, right, you can trade this week with a demo. But at least if you do have some type of even beginner experience trading where you do know how to input some trades, make sure that you're on a funded account starting tomorrow, because I'm gonna start dropping the same exact trades that I take on my account. I'm gonna drop them on the super season chat, and I want all of us to take the trades together so we can all be in unison and be making money as a team. So like I said, I'm gonna drop a trade right now. Like I said, this is an example. Do not put this on your real account. I just dropped it on the Telegram, right? So if you go on Telegram real quick, right, this is how a trade will look like, right? So what we're going to do is, if you guys do not have your MetaTrader 4 set up yet, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your MetaTrader 4 and you're going to go to settings on the bottom right, right? And if you haven't done that yet, you're going to do it now. So you're going to go to settings on the bottom right, and you're going to click new account, right? When it says new account, you're going to click open a demo account, okay? You're going to click open a demo account, right? When you click open a demo account, this is how it should look. This is how it should look right here. See if I can. Let me lower this. Okay, this is how it should look right here, guys, where it says open demo account. You're going to click settings, and then you're going to click new account, and you're going to click open a demo account. When you do that, you're going to type in Hugo's Way, right? That's just a demo account that you're creating, right? You're going to see a little red, you know, guy that with an emoji right here. You're going to click this, and you're going to fill out your information. You're going to put your first and last name, your phone number, your email, right? Account type, right? You don't have to change it. The only thing you're really going to change is your leverage from 1 to 500, right? You got to make sure where it says leverage, where it says it here, it says 1 to 500. 1 to 500. It says it right here, right? So you got to make sure on your demo account, this isn't for a real account, but I need everybody to participate here so we can take this trade together. Then you're going to click register, right? Once you click register, you're going to see a blank page like this, right? You're going to see a blank page like this. This is what you're going to see on your quotes on the bottom left, right? If you guys are all following along with me, drop a 777 on the Zoom chat box, right? Because we're going to take this trade together really quickly. So, okay, everybody's following along. 777s on the chat box, just so everybody's good to go. Okay, perfect. Like I said, this is going to be more interactive because I really want to be with you guys and help you guys be set up so everything's clear, being ready to kick off for tomorrow. Cool. So I see sevens. If you don't understand, drop an 8. If you're not with me, drop an 8, just so I know who's with me, who's not with me, right? And then I'll give it like a 20-second gap. Okay. Beautiful. So I see most sevens on the chat. So this is what you're going to do, right? If you go to the Telegram chat, you're going to see, right, the pair, right? So we're trading BTC against the US dollar, right? BTC against the US dollar. So Annette, real quickly, just so you follow along, I'm not going to take very long. On your MetaTrader 4 app, right, you're going to click the settings button. When you click the settings button, it should take you to where it says new accounts. You should see it's the second option. You should see new account. You're going to click open a demo account. Once you click new account, there's only 2 options. It'll look like this. You're going to click open a demo account, right? When you click open a demo account, right, then that's when you're going to put your information. You're going to change your leverage from 1 to 500, right? You got to make sure it says 1 to 500. This is how it should look like. Okay. Bang. That's, you got to make sure your leverage is like that I put in the chat box. Okay. So the first thing you got to understand, guys, is when you're hopping on here, you're going to look for the pair, right? The pair that you're looking for. So the way that you get your pair is you're going to click this plus button right here, guys. This plus button. You're going to click it, and you're going to see something like this. You're going to see a search bar, okay? So on that search bar, you're going to type in the pair. So the pair is BTC USD. I'm putting it here on the Zoom chat as well. BTC USD. And you're going to see a little green button right here, guys. Green button that you're going to click. Bang. You're going to click that. And once you click it, it's going to disappear. And it's going to disappear because it's going to be the last pair, right, that is being given on your quotes, right? It's the last pair, okay? So now that you've added it onto your MetaTrader 4, what you're going to do is you're going to click it, and you're going to see this option that says trade, okay? You're going to see this option that says trade. That's how you're going to put in an operation, right? That's how you're going to put in a new trade. So you're going to click trade, and now you're going to see something like this, okay? So it's very key, right? Now, this is something I want to talk about. When we send out trades here, guys, we're going to keep it a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So in other words, you're going to have your take profit 1, okay? Do you guys see my whiteboard? You guys should be able to see my whiteboard. You're going to have your take profit 1. You're going to have your take profit 2. And you're going to have your take profit 3. They may be a 4th one, but we're going to stick to 1, right? We're going to stick. Oh, sorry. It's 2. I don't know why I put 3, but okay, 3. This one should be 2. So let me see if I can just put it right here. Right? You're going to have your take profit 1, your take profit 2, and you're going to take your take profit 3. And then you're going to have your stop loss. Okay? Now, this is very important, guys. Right below, there's going to be 2 things. Before I go into the stop loss and the take profits, you're going to have, right, somewhere where it says either buy by market or it's going to say sell by market, right? This is very important. You just got to know how to play Simon Says. So if we come back to where it says on Bitcoin, and we added Bitcoin, perfect. And we click trade. Now it takes us to this page, right? You got to understand, once you put in your take profit and your stop loss numbers, all you got to do, if it says buy by market, you're going to click the blue sign. If it says sell by market, you're going to click the red sign, right? So this is just a copy and paste game. You guys just got to know how to copy the numbers and paste them, okay? But I need to make it clear, because if it says buy, you're going to click the blue button. If it says sell, right, you're going to click the sell button, right? Or if it says sell, or if it says buy, whatever it says, that's what you're going to click, okay? Now, the other thing you need to understand is the entry, right? This is very important, guys. As you're trading, this is why I'm going over this with you guys. You guys got to understand the entry is the most important, okay? Because you can't be taking a trade and the entry's already gone, right? Or if the trade's already in profits, right? So for example, we're not gonna pay attention to the entry here in this exact trade, because I want to help you guys plug it in, okay? But here it says entry is in between 29,050 to 28,700, right? So what does that mean, Anthony? That means if Bitcoin, if BTC USD, right, is in between those prices, we can take that trade, right? So that means we can open up our MetaTrader 4 and we can take it. But real quick, let's look at it real quickly, guys. Right now, this BTC, right, if you look at the chart, right, if you click the chart button right here in this button right here, Bitcoin is at 29,182, right? It's at 29,182. So it's not in our entry. So what you guys can't not do, right? Another way to check it, right, is on the quotes, right? So if you see Bitcoin, right, you'll see it right here, 29,182. This is the entry that it's at right now. This is where your spread is. I'm not going to go into spreads right now. You got to pay attention to the closer number to BTC USD, right? So right here, guys, it says 29,183, right? That's what it says. So it's above, it's not, or this is better. This is easier for you guys to understand. It's not in your entry area, right? So that means the trade has already gone away. It's already in profit. So if we get into that trade, we're risking to lose more money because it's already in profit. So if the trade were to reverse, then you're risking more money on your account. So it's very important, guys, that you guys follow the entries that we're going to be calling on the super season chat, right? Super season chat. We're going to be dropping trades in there. We're going to be making money together, right? So if the entry says 29,050, you can get into the trade, right? On this example, guys, we're not going to pay attention to the entry because I want to help you guys enter this trade, right? So now let's go back to our take profits, right, that we're going to do, right? You have take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and stop loss. That's how it's going to be layered when a trade is being sent out starting tomorrow. Okay, guys? So if let's just use the first 3 TPs on BTC, okay? So we have, actually, you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to edit it. So that way it's just way better like this. I'm going to make things easy for you. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I just edited it, right? Boom, it's on the chat. So I edited it so there's 3 TPs, okay? So we have TP1, so that way I can walk you guys through here on the screen, is 29,400, okay? TP2 is 30,000, okay? And then TP3 is 30,700, okay? And then our stop loss is 28. This is on your demos, guys. Remember, this is not on your real accounts. If you're on your real accounts, do not enter this on your real account, please. This is just an example. Okay, guys? So right here, we have our take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and our stop loss. So now that we go back into our trade, right, with BTC, this is how it's going to look, right? This is how it's going to look. So on our first, so this is going to be the next part that we're going to go over, right? Right now, don't, it doesn't matter what it says in your lot size. I'm going to go over that with you guys next. But right now, what you guys got to understand is you're going to put your take profit 1, right, where it says take profit, right? Where it says take profit right here, you're going to put 29,400. So where it says not set, you're going to click it. You're going to delete that number. And you're going to put 29,400. On your stop loss, right, you're going to put the stop loss number, right? So if it says stop loss right here, guys, 28,230, right? 28,230, that's where you're going to put it, right? Right here, 28,230. So this is how it should look like right here, real quick. Boom. Okay. You should see something according to these numbers right here. Okay. This is exactly how it should look like. If you see my screen, you guys see it, stop loss, and your take profit, right? So beautiful. Boom. We got it plugged in. Now, the last thing you guys just got to make sure, if it says buy, you're going to click buy. If it says sell, you're going to click sell, right? So beautiful. It says buy by market. We're going to click buy. Boom. It's in there. We are in this trade. This is a demo account. This is not real account. We're in there just to practice. Everybody should be in this trade. It doesn't matter if it loses. It doesn't matter if it wins. This is for you guys to practice plugging in a trade, because now we're going to lead into the next part. Okay, guys? So if you guys are with me so far, drop some 777s. If you're not with me, drop some 888s. Drop it on the chat while I get some water. Drop some 777s if you're with me. If you're not with me, drop some 888s. Look, got some water, so I'm gonna have to suck it up. Let me see. Where are we at? Sevens, beautiful. Okay, so we're at sevens. I need everybody's collaboration here, so that way I'm confident that I can move to the next part. Okay, so everybody's in this trade, right? Doesn't matter if it wins, doesn't matter if it loses, because now starting tomorrow, it is going to matter, right? Because starting tomorrow, we're in this for real. Okay, guys? So now I'm going to go back to the whiteboard. Guys, take a screenshot of this so you guys understand. Right? Entry is very important. You just got to know if it's a buy or sell. You guys can take a screenshot. It's not really, you know, if you guys want to. But as long as you guys understand, that's what counts. Okay? So we're going to clear this, and we're going to go to understanding lot sizes. Okay, this is key, guys. On a 1 to 500 leverage, it's important for every $1,000 you have a total accumulate of a 1.0 lot size or or 0.15 lot size total, depending if you're a riskier trader or a not riskier trader. So here's the thing. We have 3 TPs, right, guys? So this is how it's going to work. So that way there's no confusion and you guys totally understand. Okay? So this is our lot sizes, right? For $1,000 in our trading balance. So what does that mean, Anthony? If you have 2,000, right, in your trading balance, you can have a total of 0.20 lot size or 0.25 lot size. If you have 10,000 in your trading account, you can have a total of 1.00 lot size. This is on a 1 to 500 lot leverage. If you use a different leverage, the lot size is different. This is on 1 to 500, okay? Or a 1.500 lot size, right? So you guys get the memo, right? $1,000 trading account, $2,000 trading account, $10,000 trading account. You guys get the memo, okay? If you have MT5, it doesn't matter. It's just a different style of inputting trades. That's it. I recommend MT4, but it doesn't matter. If you have MT5 or MT4, this part that I'm talking about doesn't matter. The only thing that will really be different is if you have MT5, the way you input a trade could be different. But this doesn't matter because this is lot sizes. This is your risk on your trading, right? So let's go back to that Bitcoin trade, right, guys? Everybody should be with me so far. So what is your lot size, guys? Right? This is just you got to screenshot this because you got to understand it. We'll be right back to this whiteboard. Okay. So you have your lot size right here. You see where it says 0.05. Okay. We're going to utilize the example of having $1,000, right? So if I have $1,000 in my account, right? Oh, shoot, I'm tripping. Okay, this is for, sorry. Okay, this is for Forex pairs, okay? Because you're not going to do this for Bitcoin, okay? So let's be very clear on this. This is for Forex. Good thing I went over this, okay? Not to confuse you, we're just going to make it very simple. So this is for Forex pairs, okay? Forex pairs look like this. You have your USD JPY, which is the USD against the Japanese yen, right? You have the Euro USD, okay? You have your XAU USD. You can use it for gold. That's not a problem. You can use it for a, let's see, USD CAD, right? So you got to know your pairs, and that's why you guys got to go through the academy, right? Because those are Forex pairs, US dollar against the Japanese yen, right? So I'll put Forex pairs plus commodities plus gold, okay? Now, for crypto, it's different, okay? For crypto and indices. And okay, so now let's name these. We'll just put a line here so you guys have this. Okay, so it's separate. Because what you're going to utilize is for $1,000 trading account. Maximum for crypto and indices a 0.03 lot size, which is, if you guys really want to know the definition, that's really just understanding per every pip that's being moved in the markets, that's literally 30 cents. So if it goes up 2 pips, that's 60 cents. If it goes up 10 pips, right, guess what that is? That's $3, right? So depending on how many pips you're catching, right, it's 30 cents per pip, right? So you're going to utilize a maximum, right? If you're not a risky trader, you're going to use a 0.02 or 0.01. Okay, if you're not risky. Okay, so that's the lot sizes that you're going to use. Boom. And then boom. Okay, so if you're not risky, you're going to use a 0.02, 0.01. If you have, you know, $10,000 in your account, right? Well, then guess what? You're going to go to a 0.10, right? Or a 0.15, right? On a $10,000 account with crypto and indices, right? So now what do crypto and indices look like? This is what it looks like. Boom. Okay, you have BTC, USD. You have ETH, USD. You have US30, right? You have SPX 500, right? You have NAS 100. These are the main pairs, and you have JER30, right? Because I know some of you guys trade with Sai, so she trades JER30. So you have your different pairs. Now, why do you use different lot size, Anthony? Well, very simple. They're more volatile, so they don't move like a Forex pair or gold, right? These move more different. So you got to understand that the volatility is a lot different. So you got to make sure if you have $1,000 in your trading account, these are the proper lot sizes for your trading account. It's simple math, guys, right? I don't have to go too much in depth with it, right? So $1,000 maximum, you're losing a 0.03. And if you're not too risky, you're going to use 0.02. So if you have $2,000, right, you can utilize maximum 0.06. So I'm going to go into that now here, guys, on how to utilize different entries with the lot size with the trade that we're entering, right? So we're going to use the same BTC USD example, right? So real quick, if you guys are with me, drop 777s. If you guys are not with me, drop 888s, right? Take a screenshot of this because these are understanding lot sizes, right? Because starting tomorrow, you got to understand lot sizes and you got to understand your pairs, right? So perfect. 777, 777. Drop 777s if you understand. If you don't understand, drop 888s. Okay. All you got to know, right? And then screenshot this. I'm a stop sharing in 8 minutes. I mean, sorry, in 5 seconds. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a screenshot. Make sure you get the screenshot in. All right. So this is going back to what I was saying. This is the lot size, guys, right here, where it says 0.01. That right there is a lot size. So, right, there's 3 TPs, right? And we're going to utilize 3 TPs, okay? So it's very important for you guys to understand this. We're going to have TP1, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, right? Now we're going to go into maximizing your profits, right? Because we got to make sure we help you guys maximize your profits as we go. Okay, so now that we're helping you guys maximize your profits, okay, we're using a $1,000 account balance with the 3 TPs, right? So with that $1,000 account balance, right, what you're going to do, right, with this, because this is a BTC USD trade, right? If it was USD CAD, it'd be different, right? Because here we're trading crypto. So very simple. We have 3 take profits. Take profit 1, 29,400. Take profit 2, 30,000. And then take profit 3, 30,700. So what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to take 3 entries, right? And you're going to utilize a 0.01 on TP1, 0.01 on TP2, and 0.01 on TP3. Okay, guys? So now you guys see that if you add up the 0.01 plus a 0.01 plus a 0.01, it adds up to the 0.03, right? It adds up. So you guys got to make sure. I'm going to wrap up here, guys, in 2 minutes because I know Maddie's going live. So that way we can all hop on Maddie's session. So I'm going to finish up here. And then if we have to do another call tomorrow, we will, right? But I need you guys to understand this, right? The 0.01, the 0.01, and the 0.01, it adds up to the 0.03, right? So now if you use a 0.03 on TP1, 0.03 on TP2, 0.03 on TP3, and the trade loses, you're over leveraging. And now you're messing up your whole trading balance. You got to make sure it adds up to the according to your trade balance. Because if not, if you're doing a 0.03, 0.03, 0.03, you're over leveraging and you're messing yourself up. So you got to make sure that your 3 entries add up to the 0.03, right? So if you're going to use a 0.02 total for your account balance, then you're just going to have to do 0.01 for TP1, 0.01 for TP2, and you call it like that, right? And you skip to your TP3, right? But you guys got to make sure, and the only thing I'm not going to be able to touch up on here, guys, is we are going to show you guys. So after this, and maybe you guys can reach out if you guys want to know more, right? Is you got to learn that after we do reach TP1, we're moving our stop loss to break even on the other entries. So TP1, that's automatically going to, shut that, the profits are going to automatically take you out, right? So the trade won't be running on that entry, but you'll still have 2 entries running, right? You'll still have, right, TP2 and TP3, right, running. Those 2 trades, those 2 entries that are still running, your stop loss, you're going to click modify on the entry, and you're going to simply do this. You're going to put your entry price at, and you're going to change, your entry price, and put it as your stop loss. So really quickly, and we'll wrap up here, just so you guys know, take a screenshot of this, please. Take a screenshot before we wrap up here, because I know Maddie's going live. Okay. On this trade that we just entered, right? This is what you're going to do. You're going to hold it and you're going to click modify. Okay. So this would be after we hit TP1. You're going to click modify, and this would be a trade that's going to TP2. You're going to delete stop loss. So you're going to come here. You're going to delete, and then you're going to enter the entry that you entered at, right? So if it was at 29.050, you're going to put 29.050 at your stop loss. So now if the trade reverses, you still got money off of the table, and now you have your trades running risk-free, where you don't have to be looking at your phone. You don't have to have anxiety. None of that even exists, because now you have your trade running risk-free after we hit TP1. So you don't do that until we hit TP1, guys. So that's it for today. What we will do is we'll probably follow up another follow-up call, but I wanted to make sure you guys understand this. Hopefully this was helpful. And I do have a surprise for you guys. I am going to, but I need to make sure you guys are ready. So if you're ready for this surprise, drop ready on the chat box. Ready on the Zoom chat box. Drop ready on the chat box before we finalize this call. If you guys are ready for the surprise, ready. All right, cool, ready. I see some readies. Right, I want to help you guys advance. I need to see everybody dropping readies. Ready on the chat box. Drop those readies. Beautiful. I see some readies from Shanae. I see ready from Ramsey. I see ready from Navarro. I see ready from CK. Beautiful. So this is it, guys. This is what you need to understand. This is a surprise. I need you guys to take this serious, but this is a surprise. We're going to add top 5 educator Anna Paulina to the chat, right? So we got to bring some energy when we bring her on here. I'm going to add her after Maddie Pips is live, but she's going to work with you guys as well. And she's going to help you guys maximize the alerts and take the alerts so we can win as a community. So you're also not going to have me as your mentor, right? But you're going to have a top educator here in Akashics that's going to be in the chat, helping you guys take the trades and helping you guys maximize your profits here with My Daily Choice and Akashics. So I'll leave it at that, guys. I got this recording, so I will replay this so you guys can have it. Hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys are excited. We're going to be adding Anna Paulina onto the chat. So let's make some noise for her on the Telegram, right? So she can feel welcomed and we can really make sure that she comes on here and really helps us out, guys. This is a blessing. I'm telling you right now, she's going to help you guys all level up with your trading, guys. So appreciate you guys. See you guys. I'll let you guys know when the next call is.